Where bicyclists belong, on the bike paths in Fairmount Park. But many bikers don't use the paths because of joggers and pedestrians. They prefer to ride on Kelly and West River Drives, which is technically prohibited. Today, bicyclists asked for a decision from the Fairmount Park Commission that would permit bicycles on all park streets. They say it's their right.
What we're talking about here is the use of Fairmount Park. Roadways are there under law for all types of vehicles to use them.
But the Keystone Automobile Club contends cyclists are a hazard on the drives.
The motor vehicle is constantly put in the position of trying to pass bicyclists, jam on their brakes, and I think one of these days, because of a bicyclist, we're going to see a pileup of automobiles of 6 and 7 with perhaps a lot of injuries.
And city traffic engineer Jack Borse agrees.
It's far easier for a bicyclist to maneuver around a pedestrian than it is for a motorist to maneuver around a bicyclist.
Commissioners considered all points of view and reached this compromise. There will be no bikes on Kelly and West River Drives during peak hours, and no bikes at all on Lincoln Drive south of Rittenhouse Street. Some bikers were disappointed.
The people who commute lost because you can't use the drive during commute time.
Commissioners stressed that the bicycle restrictions are only temporary until the completion of the Schuylkill reconstruction project. After that, they'll be reevaluated, and bicyclists hope they can have free access then, for once and for all. On West River Drive, Barbara Monaco, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.